I never know what kind of predicament this mega put all myself in, you know. What could I really make me decide to go over Brandon Yard to get embarrassed by a girl like this doing? No, sir, Ashley, you're there at the bottom of my barrel right now. You have to go do something with your life, Ashley. You can't just go along and go answer. No, sir. Me shame like dog. But how this? Sure. Can't even bother with that little community madman, you know. That look like a Tom's down this, so me know him a go beg me, you know. And to all me feeling at the morning, you know. If he ever beg me, me go that diss him, you know. Me no want him chat to me. Me just pass and hold me head straight and him don't say a word, cause if Tom ever say it to me in the morning, yeah, me I go diss him.
Thank you, Father God, for waking me up this morning. Boy, the hurricane that deal with the place so weird. But my day I still wake up and alright, even though me did have to spend it in a little unfinished building. Why? I really need some help to get back my life together now. Me no know, but I guess God will provide. How that?
My little sister Ashley. You know she was like a girl that grew up in her man. But why her face looks so do? She look really sad. I wonder if me can ask her what go on. No man, this not look like the Ashley that me know. She look really down and out. Hey Ashley, what's up man? What's going on? No, me nah beg nothing today Ashley, me nah beg nothing at all. But just see and you just look down like you need somebody to talk to. What happened to you Ashley? What happened to you? Long time I not see a girl like you, you know. But you is always a girl that is jolly and looking vibrant. But this morning, your face no look so bossy at all. Talk to me, Ashley. I want to you. By the way, how is your mother doing? Long time I not see her neither.
No, Tom, me not alright. You not take a blind man for see me not alright. You not see my face? Right now, me stress out, me confused, me don't know what to do with myself right now. My life is like looking pan a book with some Chinese arithmetic. Me don't know what to do with it. Seriously, me stress out, man. Channel star, me don't know how my life narrow down to this time. Me don't know how my life narrow down to this. You see it? Me I'll tell myself, say if I call to me, make a cuss you out and see me, I pour out to you. No, sir, my life really sad.
You know, so from me come back in a place still in Ashley, me there meds a whole heap of people. And me must see you more time, man. Me a wonder, me there reminisce back in the days when me and a certain man used to park across the freeway. And me know so that man there must your father, you know, cause him and your mother used to involve. But me there wonder now that you say, boy, things not so bossy with you, if your mother never tell you who your father be.
What? What you talking about, mad boy? Which father that you talking about? Me not have no father at all. Me not have no father. Me never born come see no father, so me don't know which father that you talking about.
Well, Ashley, I guess you need to have a conversation with your mother then about who is your father. Cause your father was my good friend back in the days you come from over BaddaDan community that just down the road there, so. Your father never go on too bad in them days still. Cause him get a little break, go for him, live, and do him thing and make a little piece of money. Me or say him come back to Jamaica since of lately still. Well, not really since of lately for a while I know, but through me go through my little troubles and stress itself still, so me never too know how to reach out back to him or even keep contact with them man they still. But your father did pretty well for himself whilst he was in America. So yeah, you need to have conversations with your mother about who your father really is.
Go on, yeah. I saw me know say you're really mad and lick for your head some of it, you know. You look like you drink some mad puss piss or something. Cause me don't know what you talking about father from over BaddaDan. My mother never tell me nothing at all like that. My mother said my father dead long before me born. So me don't know what you talking about, you know. All me just big and careless today I say a whole full argument with the community madman. Go on, yeah.
Ashley, them have a whole saying we say, you know, say time jump but time no fool. I think you need to regard the conversation with your mother. Yeah? Have the conversation with your mother. Should we tell you?
Go on, yeah. You coming like then sit up on me in the morning with your one bag of foolishness, but father live uptown. Hey, My mother not tell me no lie. Me never born conquer hear my mother talk about no father. Never hear my mother talk about nothing like that. My mother say my father dead in a car accident from before me born.
Hey boy a tool, walk in front of me. We are go over this, sir.
We are go over this, sir. What you mean, officer? We are go over this, sir. Which part? Which part you care me go, officer? Talk to me now, officer, man. Which part you care me go? Yo, officer, yo, man, I trust them thing in, officer. Which part you care me do, officer?
You really not have no sense in that tool. Then what you feel like some mega carry go? I'm yard. I must over a jail cell me I carry you go big idiot boy. You're a fool man. Walk in front of me to man. And make sure so you're not running. No? Cause if you ever run, tell God say some bullet I go run you down and put you straight to ground. So if you ever run, just know that.
Me for run? For officer? After me and an idiot? Me nah go run for give you no reason for come run me down and gun me down after me and an idiot. No, officer. Remember, say me no do nothing at all for the so you know. I take you come take me out of my house for nothing at all and bring me come to jail, you know. When you search my house, when you not find nothing at all. Furthermore, in the officer, I need my call to get my lawyer down here, so you know. Cause me no know how me end up a jail. Me no do nothing at all, officer. So me no know where you talk about run after me and an idiot. Me no do nothing, so me not run.
Squaddy will go on there. So we have one more fool, you know. And which one I'll ever say have some space we can fling that boy a tool, you know. Talk to me there. And me can't go around there.
You know, see around our side, I wish part the boy better than the yard for the carry him though, cause around the other side full up, you know, so around this have two little space left around there. So you can't carry him, go around the other side, they can fling him down.
Well, I told you, hear that? Around better than themselves, then say me forgot throw you, you know. Me I go see if you got a whole heap of mouth around this, so you know, when time better than them see all you coming up for themselves. Me no know, but this no look too bossy for you at all in a tool.
John Star mama, John Star officer Brown. I really run a BaddaDan cell and I put me officer. Yo, John Star come like a set and set me up for the man them kill me in a night officer. John Star officer. You know, can't put me around this officer. You know so we and them boy they not good. You know see a regular them boy they come fire shot all over. We place by we in a varsity. You know say Streetz all I say yo over our ends him get shot up from you know. Boss just school star boss man I can't set up get a youth life them way there. You know say a beer box and liquor and kick me I go get if I go in or that to sell the officer. Man them I go over power me star. We can't manage something like that officer. Yo officer me I beg you please star. Me I beg you I call for talk to my lawyer officer cause it be girl on this so. Me good and able live to come out all the morning officer. And you know that doing officer. Come like a set on set up get a youth life officer. Channel star officer, may I beg you, please.
So what go on a tool? How the badness just done great, so. This morning when time we are search up your house and thing. A chronic last sang me area place your badness upgrade. Gun pan, gut and base sitting. So we are talk about. You know should I just continue with the badness man? If you're going a BaddaDan sell man, we are talk about man a bat up and catch that man. All a BaddaDan just shut up in a man. BaddaDan can't lift her hands right now. BaddaDan can't do your thing.
Here, so BaddaDan get shot up still in the officer, but that's not my concern still in the officer. BaddaDan have a whole heap and tough soldiers them around him still. And if you go put me around this officer star, yo, John Star, alone Frass the man them I go Frass me out officer. Can't manage that in the officer. That's why I beg you call to talk to my lawyer, you know. Officer, me I beg you, please, officer. Put me anywhere else but don't put me around this, please, officer.
Well, I'm sorry for you not tool. I can't help you with this one, you know, because I can't carry a go home. So around at the jail cell you have to go stay. And that are the younger place who have space. So you are better than them better work it out around there.
Yo, squeeze your eye. Look there. You see right? Or me I see wrong? I know my 2 yard them good and I wanna feel on them bad in a butt. Now the boy I told that from over the boy them G go hence. The police them just pushing our cellar so. Nah man. I can't told this the police them just serve up to it just so. At all. I hear that?
Yeah, man, my general, man. I will ask man, my general, man. Boy, I told that from over G got the men's, man. Them boy, they shot you up in a general. Boy, I told that the police them throwing a SLA in front of you, you know. Yeah.
Oh, Mr. Police. Mr. Police. Oh, Mr. Police, man. Yo, John Star. Yo, no can't left around here saying them man, a student officer. Yo, a beer premiums, the man, them, yo, John Star officer. Yo, a pre, the man, them a premium. Ready for do the things in officer. Yo, Mr. Police.
Yo, Squeeze, I grab the boy there tool and bring him come over here, sir. Bring him come over here, so come make him turn up right in front of me.
Hey, boy, come here. And I hear the general say me fi bring you come over here, sir. Yo, forward over here, sir, to in a boy or two. Come over here, sir, make the general chat to you.
John Star squeeze here. Yo, John Star, me general BaddaDan. And I'm mean a BaddaDan, and I'm mean a Star. Yo, John Star, BaddaDan, me I tell you, me general, and I'm me Star, and I'm me.
We are talk about boy or two, both and a you and a you. And a you with what? My name marks in a question it and you ball out and a you. Look like you're guilty or something in a boy or two. Alright? Are you pull the trigger and shot me up, so boy? I really you shot me up, so boy, I ball out both and on me and on me and on me. Hey boy, I told then if I know you, then I hope.
Yo, John Star, my general BaddaDan, you know, say this morning when the police them running on the ends, Billy a Star, the police them a say over, yes, you get shot Star. Yo, me not even the dip on the ends, Judge I got. So me not even know what going or when shot even fire Star. Yo, John Star, yo, John Star BaddaDan. Yo, John Star, me I tell the truth, my general, me don't know nothing about nothing where go on over this Star, cause me never did dead upon the ends.
You know, see a Google bot here take the general for boy. You know, see a fool they take the general for. Oh, you fear talk about so you don't know nothing about nothing where go on over here, please. Are you name a tool, you know? Are you a second in charge over this, you know? The young man think tougher than year when I hear general, you know? So I don't know what you talk about, you know? G go alone have more talk than you over that. Are you responsible for your chops if a man fire that? Be certain so you have to know. Or are you give the order? So I don't want you going like you want to come take my general for not fooling about you don't know. And you never did it. Even if you're not dead, you know. And if you did it, you're worse, I know. And kill me dead. I know, say, you're probably dead on the battlefield the night when time the shootout are going. Say, boy, whoop me out and chat and make the general know who call him up. Or else we're going to frig you up in this night here. You watch and see where I go on, man. Anyhow, you know whoop me out and chat, man. Remember me tell you. You probably not wake up a morning alive. Yeah, you're going to wake up dead.
John Star, my general BaddaDan Star. Be a violation, me I get him a cellar Star. John Star, just tell the man saying I'm me no boss. Tell the man saying I'm me shot him a general. Please, may I beg him a general. Tell the man saying I'm me shot a boss.
Stay there, go and shut off your mouth, man. I should have out a road, cause I would have slap a shot in your face long time. It I talk about and you, and me fi tell man saying you. How me fi know who shot me? After me never see who shot me. I know some me dip on the ends and gunshot just attack my body like bees. I'm certain say over this it come from. Over your ends, over G got them ends it come from. So me know say yeah, and your boss probably shot me up. Or uno and another little guns them over they shot me up. So me no know yeah talk about boy you don't know. You don't know. What kind of argument that you come with boy you don't know? And as I say a fool you take man for boy I told. Yo, one thing me I tell you now. You better talk up. Cause I know say me I go make Squeeze I Frass you out for the rest of the night you know this. So you better start sing like a canary. Eh?
Hey boy, you're not talking. Oh, shot the general. Me nah stop back saying this in the night yeah, until you talk. Oh, shot me general. So stay there and talk. Hey boy, you did hear myself walk me out and say something. Oh, shot me general.
Yo, Jado Star, I saw the man them a deal with best star. Yo, Jado Star, yo, I don't mean shot the man in the start. Me no know who shot the man star, me I talk to truth star, me never dead it. Yo, Jado Star, yo, man them a deal with me a way a star. Yo, Jado Star, yo. Yo, may I tell a story? May I talk a truth in a star? Me no know who shot him on star. May I tell you a truth star? Squeeze eye, yo, Jano star. Yo, me I hot me dog. Man, them look out of me eye star. Yo, Jano star. Yo, a them violation, the man come a jail and I get star. Yo, Jano star. Yo, me I beg him on them star. Go easy star. Yo, me no know nothing about nothing star. Yo, Jano star.
Yo, Shelly, what kind of sound that me hear like plate that broke or glass drop and broke or something? I can't in my kitchen the pitney them there mash up the things them, Shelly. Yo, Shelly, me tell you say you need to control the little rugrats them, you know. You can't have them a people place that broke up and I mash up them things, so you know. Jono Star. Yo, Shelly, here we go on. Daylight, you know. How much more, yo?
Lad man, so why you have to go answer tuggy? Why you have to go answer? A little pitney them man, them would make a little mistake or so man. Come on man, you not have to go answer, you not have to rough them so.
Me a rough them, you notice your neighbor say nothing at all to them and you me say something too. And I'll know me not see you get up none at all if you go look for what go on around in my kitchen. Make sure say every piece of glass or any piece of plate will drop and broke, everything take up off the floor, you know. Cause me no want to go around there and nothing run up in my foot bottom, you know. Tell us say you need to control the little rugrats them and you not hear how much more owe you, that I will no want to know.
Calm down yourself no man, my baby. Or you just a rush me so. Awa, you just well want get rid of me out of your place through the little one plate broke. Come on man, you not have to go answer tuggy. Cause you know say me like you from longer time. So we not even have to talk about no transaction right now. Tuggy, you not a youth, you know. You know say woulda give a youth though, tuggy, cause me know say you woulda be a good father to me and my 7 pitney them.
I must joke this. It come like me now hear you right. Be a good father to what and take care of you and what? You must really feel like so tuggy a idiot. Me not so as fool as how me look still, you know. Me might look fool in my face, but me an idiot. Woman, hurry up and go clean up your nice kitchen here, man, and make sure you pick up everything off the floor. And you and your little rugrat come out of my place. Yeah, idiot. Then me could have really take up myself, both say me want breed somebody and breed you with 7 pitney. And me figure take care of you and 7 pitney. Nah, sir. Tuggy might look fool, but him no fool. The younger thing make me rate is still, the little thing good still. So me understand why you breed 7 times still. But you know so good for tuggy be a that longer breed you the 8 time. That not gonna work. Go clean up around our kitchen and come back for your money.
You never have to style me and do me up so bad still in a tuggy. I just look out for you as a real genuine youth in a place and I say you in a youth, so make me just bust him pan a one youth and I just styleless time because me I look out for your best interest. I say it go still una know good man when time and I say good man.
Yeah man, anything you want say man, anything you want say. Come me like if you get to the whole that we used to go see at my school when time I go high school in a 10th grade and 11th grade and you're up on top shelf and hot. You wouldn't even look upon a youth like me, none at all. You wouldn't even give me a second chance, not even the corner of your eye. You would have turned around and look upon a youth like me. But as soon as you have your 7 pitney them with 7 different baby father, me turn good youth of you and bust me upon a youth and settle them with me. No sir. And I saw this thing I work, man. When I did the on top shelf at them time that you should have did bust my pan a youth. Right now, I would have me and you right through. And I saw this thing I work, girl. And I saw this thing I work anyway. All that in Grania, get a rugrat, clean up my kitchen, and left.
So seriously though, you really a care catch his feelings to my friend in time the friend we are go high school until now? No, sir. You're serious bad, but thanks like a 10 grand still at least me can go buy my gas, you know, and buy like a knickknacks put in a the house so he pitney them. Yeah, good youth still tuggy. Think about what me just say, man, but I really bust up on a youth for sure.
Me there I wonder what could I really go and make the police them go up to the hospital and take BaddaDan no time bed and go throw him round a cell block. Police no normally work them way there less something in or something. Me no know. Something definitely in or something in. But me there I go and pray still and see where I go and but right now me there me I think corrupt right now, you know. Need for getting at them juvenile the minds still, you know. Need for tell them the real truth, Lord, the boy BaddaDan. Need for just tell them the truth and season up the truth little bit, put a pinch of salt and some black pepper on it so the truth gets sweet. Need for chat to a juvenile in a day, man. Furthermore, you know, I'm a call him and see where I'm depon.
Yo, my general, tuggy, what go on my boss?
Yo, bad juve, where you depon? Where are they right now? Come give me a circle around for my black youth. Need for all I reasoning with you.
Yeah, man, away I say, man, my general, man. Right away without delay, man. Soon did I your foot, is it?
Yo, bad juve, where I go on?
You know, say my day and my boss. There, man. Where you going with?
You know, I said my day and my man just a run pan chase star. My sponsor grandson did lose him life star. Yo, channel star. Mine just dip on a little juvenile star and just say, yo, man should have still there in a star. Judge of God.
Me don't know if you know what's still my general, but chase I'm a little family to you star. Yo, me I tell I say how me feel it to me current time the police boy them slap a shot in my family star. Yo, that's why I'm coming at badness, you know. Cause me have to touch back to them police boy they for slap with my cousin, you know. Nah, go so, you know. Remember me tell them, man, that's why I'm coming at badness. Cause me have to lick with 2 police, quick and fast.
To slap with 2 police sound good, yes. But guess what, me youth? And I police them my problem, you know. I want BaddaDan my problem. Hear that? BaddaDan make that youth the lose him 3 points, man. BaddaDan make chase not there today at all, youth. Remember me tell you. If I lie, me I tell ask God. Really search your youth. And I police them my problem, man. BaddaDan my problem.
We really ask you, my general. They not really BaddaDan make me little family not there today, yo. What you really are say? You sure we are talking about my general? A BaddaDan that you know a real boss, you know. What we are say? BaddaDan make my little family not there.
Yeah, man, a BaddaDan make a little family not there today, youth. Remember me tell you, man, if you no believe me, ask God. And then for an insult to injury, you know, man. The man make me punch have to pay for his trap to, you know, youth. Remember me tell you know, man, me I go raise with the man and I say, yo, I me sponsor that, you know, I should lose fear like a grandson, you know. I'm a loan shop over there, you know, yo. And the man that business, man say, yo, she have to pay for that tire, so I go slap her away.
We really ask a tuggy. A real talk here make me J. BaddaDan really treat me little until life after Jano star after Chase lose him life. At that the general a pre-star. General no rate youth then star. General a pre-corrupt dog. Can't believe star the man women look up to BaddaDan. I say man deal with things grab it brother. Man not hard for you out.
You think of that? All you shouldn't even dare neither in a youth. Remember the man, remember good no man. You shouldn't dare neither in a youth.
What you mean by that, Tuggy say me you shouldn't dare? I what go on? I wanna try to set up my life too. What go on, youth?
Nah, son, nothing like that, man. Think no youth. Remember good no man, remember good no man. The night when time BaddaDan get shot up. Remember good say before that when time we are planned to step on the board them. You the man did one push out in front. And I may have to step in and make him know say as the general, you fear lead from the front as the general BaddaDan. Remember good no youth man, remember good no man. Remember man.
Yo, Star, John Star, you know you're right, my general do. You know you're right. Me just remember a conversation said the man did want push me out by the front, you know. And me the man did want go up front and lay the thing, you know. And him stay behind me, you know. So anyhow, you never step in and switch on the conversation and make him push out by the front. I would have me get the whole of them shot there in my little chest, me would have probably all dead. Yo, John Star, my general. Just as you see the man. Boy, the BaddaDan corrupt against youth, man. Him always a try to set up youth life. Yo, you see, I was have to them, my boss. You are my general, you know. If you know I have nothing at all to do with BaddaDan, and that's style right, you know. But you, man, done in that thing already. Man, I can just go and play it safe still, you see me, but you are my done right, you know. My loyalty lies with you, Tuggy. You hear that, my boss? Anything you say, as of today, Allah